भारत वो देश है जो अपनी सभ्यता और संस्कृति के लिए जाना जाता है। सदियों से चली आ रही इन परंपराओं को धरोहर के रूप में पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी पहुंचाने का काम हमारे माता पिता करते हैं।
Your thought process is developed in such a way that there is less chance of you going wrong if you are following the advice of your elders and your parents. I would say one very good thing that I learned from my parents and my elders was that never to spend more than you can afford to, and savings factor. The very fact that StockEasy is self-funded is because after I finished my education and started working, I was able to save enough money so that I can start and invest in my own venture. Focus in whatever you want to do and let's stop complaining about things and let's start doing something for it.
भारत की इकोनॉमी में शेयर मार्केट का सबसे ज्यादा योगदान है, लेकिन आज भी शेयर मार्केट से जुड़ी पूरी जानकारी न होने के कारण लोगों में शेयर मार्केट को लेकर एक हिचकिचाहट है।
Thanks to media, television, radio, newspapers, now there is more information to share and to give. So I would say that the new investor is now becoming more and more knowledgeable. It is your investment and 90% of the onus is on you to make sure that your money stays put, your money is growing and you don't face heavy losses.
जिस तरह आज एक आम आदमी के लिए स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है, वहीं स्टॉक मार्केट के कर्मचारियों का फर्ज बनता है कि वो अपने कस्टमर्स को न सिर्फ सही जानकारी दें, बल्कि उनकी रुचि बढ़ाने में भी खास मदद करें।
We should enable our customers, we should enable our people to take more interest in their investments. It should not be just a set of money that is set aside and say, okay, चलो इतना हम invest करेंगे, hopefully ये return मिलेगा. It is your set of investments, whatever money you have put in. Make sure that, say in a week, you are at least putting 20-25 minutes per stock. It's your money. Make the best of it.
तुषार ने बचपन से ही न सिर्फ जीवन की हर बारीकियों को काफी करीब से सीखा, साथ ही अपने लक्ष्य की ओर ध्यान केंद्रित भी रखा। उनके इसी जुनून और चाहत के बारे में उनके फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स का क्या कहना है, आइए जानते हैं उन्हीं से।
तुषार is our first child and he was a darling son. He was very loving, very affectionate, and as he grew even in school also he was quite bright. So many times we saw him interested in discussing the things with much elder people and all this.
And daily his teacher will, like his diary will come with the complaint कि class में मस्ती करता है और झगड़ा करता है. Like he can make anywhere he's sitting, he can make friends, and it is such an easy site. Like when you open, you want to be there in the site. You don't get bored over there because you are getting so many ideas while using it. मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मेरा बेटा वापस आया है इंडिया में, भारत लौट के, और वो हमारे ही लिए, हमारे भारतवासियों के लिए उसने काफी कुछ किया है।
He was like the usual brothers, you know, a little irritating, a little of possessive, and whenever I did some mischief and mom came to hit me, he was always there to protect me. But you know, Bhaiya keeps always hammering me that I should, you know, take interest. Once I start earning, I should keep some money aside and invest in stocks.
He's kind of a friend that every father would want his son to have. Because you know, Tushar was always right. For example, in my building there are around 50 families, and I don't think any family was involved in stock markets. And right now, I think everybody's kids or children, whatever they are dabbling in stock market.
This is when I heard about StockEasy through a friend of mine who was a regular user on StockEasy, and I was completely shocked to see the kind of discussions people are having on stocks, and they're talking about which stocks is going good, which stocks is doing bad or something like that. As a new user, as a newcomer to stocks, I think it really helped me to understand the market. It really helped me to interact with a lot of actual people.
विदेश में रहने के बावजूद भी तुषार ना हिंदुस्तान को भूले, ना ही उससे जुड़ी यादें, और यही वजह है कि स्वदेश की सौंधी मिट्टी इन्हें अपने देश खींच लाई।
Swadesh for me is a revolution which has been in the works from a very long time, but it is only now that it is taking its true shape and it is coming into form. I would say that everybody who leaves their country and goes abroad really wants to come back. There is something in him or her which is saying that मुझे इंडिया वापस जाना है, और they are missing India. But वो जो एक risk factor होता है to leave their settled life in the US and take the next leap and go back और वापस से start करना, that is one part जो आज easy होने लगा है. I really feel कि my decision to come back to my own land, come back to Swadesh has been a good one, and I'm seeing whatever my apprehensions were there, I can overcome them.
वतन की याद जब पल पल सताने लगे, परदेश में दिन काटे नहीं कटते और बस लौटने का मन करता है सरसों के खेतों में, आम के बगीचों में। स्वदेश के इस सफर में हमने आपको रूबरू करवाया कुछ ऐसे लोगों से जिन्होंने 7 समंदर पार अपनी काबिलियत का लोहा मनवाया और फिर ठानी अपनी कामयाबी अपने हमवतनों के साथ बांटने की। हमारे इस सफर में हम सफर बनिए और अपने सुझाव हमें भेजते रहिए।